So today I was here for a boot camp. I really enjoyed a lot. I learned a lot on how to structure my research projects and how to come up with research questions.
It was a great pleasure. The session, the students were very interactive. They were very curious as well, and it was my pleasure just to be able to share my knowledge with them and to answer their questions.
The college itself has challenged me to think critically and go beyond my boundaries and my comfort zone.
I have received a lot of support from Westford's end, and this program is going to help me a lot in my future career, inshallah. So looking forward for more of it.
Ms. Salma gave me an endless support, the same with Mr. Raya. I'm working 12 hours a day and definitely I need their support. They're amazing. If you need anything or any information, feedback, support, do not hesitate to communicate with Mrs. Salma and Mr. Raya.
The good thing about the classes in here are that they do not encourage rote learning and rather emphasize more on creative thinking and problem-solving skills.
But the boot camp has been a great tool for me to be able to get into the right frame of mind, also gauge the sort of expectations for the course, and just to kind of gear up for what lies ahead. And it's been really great, very vast in terms of the subject matter that was covered. Lots of skills being presented there as well, discussions about research. It's been informative, it's been fun, and I look forward to what lies ahead. Thank you.